This video explains how to create a workflow for your template. A workflow is the order in which a document is reviewed and signed. All documents created from a template follow the workflow you created for that template. To create a workflow for a template, go to the Manage Templates menu and either create a new template or select an existing template. Then, click Add New Signer and add the signers who can fill in documents created from this template. You can specify the role of each signer. Once you are done, click OK. Then, go to the Configure menu and click the Workflow tab to create a workflow. By default, a workflow is automatically generated according to the signers added in the Design Form step. You can edit the workflow by adding recipients by clicking the plus button or deleting recipients by clicking the minus button. There are 3 types of recipients you can add. Signer is a type of recipient that can fill in fields and sign signatures. Reviewer is a type of recipient that can only approve or reject documents. Need to view is a type of recipient that can only open and view documents. In each recipient step in the workflow, you'll see the recipient drop-down menu. If you select Sender can add /skip recipient, the sender can add a recipient before sending the document or skip it. If you select Sender needs to add recipient, the sender must add a recipient before sending the document. If you select Group or Member and select a member or group, the sender sends the document to the selected member or group. If you select Recipient of a previous step and select the recipient of a previous step, the sender sends the document to the selected recipient. You can also set the properties of the sender and recipients. Simply select the sender or a recipient in the workflow to open the Properties tab on the right side of the screen. You can set the properties including notification, document expiration, identity verification, and many more. eformsign workflow creation is very flexible. You can combine multiple recipients to create a workflow you want. You can even drag each recipient in the workflow to change the order. After you are done with everything, click Save to save and deploy the template. All documents created from this template will now follow the workflow you created.